Hi guys, we are here in this DIY project by Chinese.
Yes, and Chinese.
Yeah, he is a designer and a DIY.
Ni hao, ni hao.
Ni hao. And he is selling. This is for sale for €3.
Yeah, for sale. Buy one, two, eight, free.
What is this? So can you make a scorpion for me?
A Scorpio right here. The Scorpio.
Where? This one?
Yeah, this Scorpio. Sexy Scorpio.
This?
Yes.
Because it's my
Baby.
Scorpio sign. This one?
Yes, Scorpio.
Wow, this is scorpion. I will buy this one.
Sexy for my love.
Wow. Okay, I want this one. This is my scorpion design. Oh, scorpion horoscope. So I'll buy this one. Thank you.
Give you a free umbrella.
He is very funny. So we are vlogging here. We asked him that we will make a vlog for his project. And he is selling only for €3.
It's my girlfriend. He sings a song.
Huh? What is this?
My girlfriend.
How much this one?
Heidi, come to my house.
You have fish? You have
fish.
fish.
Fish, I have to make them.
Huh?
If you want, I can make them. It takes 10 minutes.
Take time to... No
I can make
problem, we
them.
will come back. We will pass by
Yes,
here.
I make a fish for you, no problem.
Okay.
But it takes 10 minutes.
Oh, it's okay. I will take first this one, then we will pass by again. I will take the fish.
Stinky fish, very stinky.
Yeah. And what is this?
This is the Christmas
No,
gift.
this one.
Jingle bell, jingle. The flying horse, flying horse.
The same, €3.
Oh, €2. This
Can I see? Flying horse.
Flying horse from Germany. German
Flying horse.
Yes, baby. And 10 minutes you come back and make a stinky fish for you.
Yeah. And this one is a crocodile? No.
Crocodile right in front.
In front,
Right in
this
front,
the
crocodile.
snake.
That one is dragon, dragon. Chinese dragon and American dragon. Yes.
Yeah, wait.
So I make a fish.
So this is a snake,
What?
and this is a butterfly.
Dragonfly, butterfly.
And this is a...
Dragon.
No, this one is a
It's a tree.
coconut tree.
Philippine coconut tree.
May I see this one, please? Can...
This is my girlfriend, Heidi Klum. You know, I hear me talk mother, baby. Heidi Klum.
Oh, coconut tree.
For Christmas gift.
Pwede man na himog Christmas tree na ako. Okay, you give me discount, please. I will take this one.
Yeah.
Gawin kong Christmas
Okay,
tree yun.
4 for 10, okay?
4 for 10,
With the
okay.
fish will be 4.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
Pwede ba mag-order ka gan?
I'll show you make a fish for you.
You make a beautiful fish because I will give this as a
Very
a,
sexy, too
a,
sexy.
a very special gift.
Scorpio, you want, I get for you.
Okay.
Na anay ako. Himo daw siya bag-o.
Yeah, it's Scorpio. I want Scorpio.
And this one, what is this? Lady?
He's a singer.
Singer? Uy, singer ka. I will put my face here.
He's an American singer.
American singer.
Whitney Houston.
Witness.
I love you. I love you, sexy lady. Give me a kiss. American singer.
Okay, you make for me a scorpion.
Scorpio right here.
That one scorpion.
Yes,
How you make?
You just put here and you put party. Too sexy for my love, baby.
Yeah.
You know I like you, baby.
Scorpio.
Oh my God, so high. Oh, sexy boy.
Sige.
Sexy 30 old man.
Pwede dito mulingko diri manghimo tag beadworks. Gang, pwede di ko mulingko din ha og nako manghimo kog accessories. Pila kay bayad diri ah? Punta na daw.
Kuha ka lang ng
Permit.
permit.
Kamutan na daw ko niya.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Oh, scorpion is dead. Yes, it's right here.
How much you pay for here for your selling this place, this area?
1 month 40 euro.
140 euro.
Very cheap.
Can I stay behind you?
You can stay.
Here, we will take a permit, business
You
permit,
must have coconut, it's very good. You can drink coconut. Coconut from Philippines.
because I want to sell anything this size, this side. Can you give me information, please, how to stay here? Uy, manindasad ko kung pwede. Ug accessories, magpalit na lang kog akong kuan. Gang.
You can sell what? Banana. Banana.
Okay, okay, banana.
Banana.
You're very,
Malaysia banana.
you're a
I'm from
comedy.
You're from Malaysia? We are from Philippines.
Yeah, next
Ah.
time I swim to Malaysia, to
Yeah.
Philippines.
I have relatives in Malaysia.
Yeah,
Malaysia, to Asia.
Malaysia na?
Malaysia.
Ah,
it's good.
sige na.
And they call me Baby Picasso.
Ala!
Baby Picasso.
Comedy na siya.
Oh, I make fish.
Fish, don't forget my fish. You make beautiful, ha? Because I will give this as a gift.
Yes.
Make beautiful.
From Baby Picasso.
This man is very talented. He is making different design for the horoscope.
I got one more girlfriend.
Like a
Mona
scorpion, fish.
Lisa.
That's Mona Lisa, okay.
French. Attention. Aïe, oh là là. The French people are disgusting. Yes.
Uy, mga kong info niya kay magtinda ko diri Inigdi off na ako, gang. Manghimo kong ipit diri. Ay, adi, manghimo kong ipit, manghimo kong ganang.
Airplane?
From Putin.
Gansilyo. O, diha ka ng mga accessories. Tag 1 euro ba? Para anak.
Listen to me. I came. I saw. I
Or 2 euro. Makabawi na. My friend,
Yes.
how to sell here? Have permit, business permit?
Yeah, you must go rock house.
What house from here?
The town.
In
You must do
Trier?
some handwork.
You
They want
guys.
handwork.
How much will pay for the
Also same price, 40 euro.
40 euro? For 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have to do it with the hand, no? Like art, no? They like art. No?
Magto na kuno ko sa rat house.
And the artist from China, Ai Weiwei.
Wait.
Crazy guy.
So where is the rat house here? Huh? Here? 40 euro kuno for 1 month. Then if I have this permit, I can stay here and I can make.
Them, I don't know. I'm not the boss. I cannot say
Okay.
nothing. They have to decide where you stay, you know. They have to decide. I cannot decide. I'm not the boss here.
Anywhere.
They put me here, I have to stay here. They put me there, I have to stay there.
Anywhere. Which date? Which date?
It's a town, no?
No, which day?
Huh?
Monday, Tuesday.
Every day you can work.
Every day?
Every day
And this 40 euro is for 1 month.
for 1 month.
Okay.
3 months, 120.
For
You
1
must
year.
ask the boss. I'm not the boss. I cannot do nothing. The boss is
Okay.
like, it's a girl. It's a woman.
Hindi lang, palit ko kong wire pod, manghimo ko kay ng mga pangan, katigo man kumahimo mga pangan.
You live in Trier?
No, in Liven, in the village,
Really fast.
in the grapes farmland.
From here.
1 hour.
So guys, this is the tourist area here. So you can see how many tourists here are. Uy, napay ako pahimo.
Fish.
Fish.
5 minutes done.
Fish.
I make a hit now.
Beautiful fish, ha? Because that is a birthday gift. Ako ihatag sa akong uyab para fishman siya. Hello. Apo iya dito. Oh.
Michael Jackson.
Ah.
Not Michael Jackson.
Can we make also video for your side here?
Excuse me?
No, I make a video for him. He's making.
Yeah.
If he there,
He's-
can we
he's-
make video for you?
Why not?
Okay, because we will upload this in YouTube so that the world
Where are
can
you from? Where are you from?
from Philippines,
Philippines.
so that the world can see your project and your product. Okay, we will upload this in YouTube. Okay, here. Oh, gang, i-vlog mo siya, nananghid na ko niya. Okay. So make my fish beautiful, ha? I'll come back later. Okay? Thank you.
5 minutes.
Bye for thank you for your beautiful project.